Welcome back, fellow investors. Get ready to take your financial game to the next level as we unveil 3 invaluable investing principles that can transform your approach to building wealth. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, these game-changing tips will empower you to make smarter, more informed investment decisions. Let's dive in with Principle 1, the power of compound interest. Compound interest is often referred to as the 8th wonder of the world, because of its ability to generate significant wealth over time. By reinvesting your investment earnings, you can earn interest on your initial investment as well as the accumulated interest. This compounding effect can lead to exponential growth and is a powerful tool for long-term investors. Let's continue with our second principle for today, which is, emotional discipline is crucial. Emotional discipline plays a vital role in successful investing. Making investment decisions based on emotions, such as fear or greed, can lead to poor outcomes. It's important to stay focused on your investment strategy, avoid making impulsive moves, and stick to your long-term plan. Emotionally disciplined investors tend to make more rational decisions and are better positioned for success. Last but not least is our third principle for today. Research and due diligence matter. Investing requires thorough research and due diligence. Before making any investment, it's crucial to understand the fundamentals of the company, the market conditions, and the potential risks involved. By conducting proper research and analysis, you can make informed investment decisions and increase your chances of achieving favorable outcomes. Remember, knowledge is power in the world of investing. That was it, 3 powerful principles of investing that can shape your financial future. Remember, knowledge is key, and by implementing these strategies, you'll be well on your way to building a solid investment portfolio. Stay tuned for more insightful content, and until next time, happy investing.